Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read otoko or dan in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means man. It has 7 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like dan. On its own, it is usually otoko. Power put to work in the rice field, the traditional labor of a man. Now, let's write it. 7 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Otoko, otoko means man. Dansei, dansei means male. And chounan, chounan means eldest son. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Da read ta, rice field. Chikara read chikara, power. So, that's otoko, man. 7 strokes. Read otoko or dan. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.